Today we'll walk through configuring sub-interfaces by updating the L2 table sheet.
I can see the diagram shows how L2 and L3 interfaces connect through L2 segments. What's the main goal here?
The procedure allows you to create sub-interface configurations that connect L3 virtual ports to specific L2 segments.
That makes sense. So we're essentially bridging Layer 2 and Layer 3 connectivity through proper configuration management.
The first step is generating a device port management table.
How do we get started with that?
You'll need to export the device file by referring to section 2.4 on exporting device files with commentary.
Got it. So we're working with exported device configuration data as our foundation.
Now we update the L2 table sheet for sub-interface configuration.
I see the table shows different port modes and names. What's the process here?
Copy the row of the physical interface where you want the sub-interface, then enter the sub-interface name in virtual port name and the L2 segment name in the connection field.
The naming convention follows the format of port type name plus space plus port number, like port channel 04100, right?
Next comes synchronization of the update information.
What does this synchronization process involve?
Drag and drop the updated device file to the main panel, then drop the master file to be updated into the update section.
I notice it creates a backup of the original master data with a timestamp. That's a good safety measure.
After synchronization, we need to confirm the L2 configuration diagram.
How do we verify our changes worked correctly?
Generate an L2 configuration diagram using section 2.2, generation of L2 diagram, to confirm the changes are properly reflected.
The example shows how multiple L2 segments can be registered and visualized in the diagram.
Finally, let's review the L2 table sheet structure for reference.
What are the key fields we need to understand?
The sheet includes device name, physical and virtual port information, and L2 segment connections for both direct connections and sub-interface configurations.
This reference will be helpful when setting up more complex Layer 2 and Layer 3 configurations in the future.